Hello everybody. One of the most popular videos I have on my channel is one I made years ago about using a mini trampoline or rebounder. People have repeatedly asked me if I could make a do-it-yourself video uh, just telling how I could make a stability bar or handlebar for the rebounder. So that's what this video is going to be about. We're going to use some very inexpensive tools and a few dollars worth of materials to make our own stability bar for a mini rebounder. We'll need two 10-inch pipes, PVC, schedule 40, a couple of elbows for 1-inch pipe. I use some stainless steel zip ties, cable ties, some duct tape to go around the leg, and some needle nose pliers, and any type of saw. I use a Japanese saw, but you can use a PVC saw or a regular hand saw is fine. And most importantly, we'll need something for the legs. This is 1.5 inch, schedule 40. The PVC pipe fits down inside that. Here we're cutting the 1.5 pipe here, and now we're attaching the two sections of 1.5 inch pipe onto the legs with the stainless steel cable ties. Later on we'll wrap the legs with the duct tape. And the 1-inch pipe is going to go down inside the two pipe legs we're assembling right now. It makes it a very simple project, and it's easy to disassemble when you want to take it apart and lean it against the wall when you're not using it. If I had made the legs a little bit shorter, it would be easy to rotate the legs off of the trampoline with the PVC leg attached to it. Now you can see this is 4-inch length, or excuse me, 4-foot length of the 1-inch pipe going down into the 1.5 inch legs. We haven't put on the duct tape yet, so it's still a little more wobbly at the bottom. Putting on the elbows, and then we're going to put on the length goes across for the bar. This is just a stability bar. It's not something that will give me support where I can put full weight on it, but it's just something to grab onto if I needed to balance myself. And it's easy to disassemble. I basically just use a health bounce. I don't jump on my trampoline, I just basically bounce for 15 minutes every day. So if you're doing vigorous trampoline exercise, this may not be something that would be suitable for you. But if you just need to have something to grab onto, if you're losing your balance, it works for me. Very inexpensive project, fairly quick to make. Guys, I hope you will take a look at my mini rebounder videos I've made in the past and the other videos I have on my channel. It's a variety channel, over 1,300 videos, new videos every week for 16 years, and you never know what you're going to find because I never know what I'm going to make. Right, guys? Thanks a lot for watching.